Hi, I'm Dr. Soni Anand. I'm a consultant obstetrician and gynecologist and infertility expert. ये एक बहुत ही controversial topic है. I think everybody wants to use something, but they don't know what to use, how to use, and how long to use, and whether it is suitable for him or her partner or not. There are basically four modalities of contraception. First is intrauterine contraceptive device, that is in common terms copper T, multi-load, Mirena, etc. I think this is the most comfortable for the patient, and it is usually applied on 4th or 5th day of period, and if properly applied there is no problem in continuation of these methods. Usually in few patients you can have heavy periods for a cycle or two, but usually it settles down and we have got medication for that. And second thing is that you have to get checkup regularly at 4 to 5 month interval at your doctor, and I think this is the best spacing method because it does not require everyday motivation and no hormonal side effects. Second, there is pills, OC pills. Usually there is a common myth that it causes weight gain, but nowadays, like everything has evolved, the pill has also evolved, and nowadays we have got very ultra low dose pills. They have got only desired effect, that means it prevents pregnancy, but it doesn't have all that long term side effects which they used to be when they were high doses. And you have to start the pill usually on day 1 and take for 21 days. Then there is a pill free period, you will have your periods and then restart from day 1 again, and it can be used under medical supervision as long as you can use or as long as you want. And third is condom. That is not a very reliable method because it is partner dependent, and it can be used as a spacing method if they are willing for it. And there is terminal method of contraception, that is the family planning surgery or tubal ligation. It is suggested to those patients who have completed their families, and this is the permanent method. My message to my viewers is that contraception is a confusing matter. If you don't decide yourself, consult doctor. If you want to consult me, you can connect me through Liberate, either through text or telephonically, or you can book a physical appointment through Liberate